All right, hello Seattle Pacific University. It is time for our stretching for the day. So we're going to spread our feet apart just a little bit. Stick out one hand, reach across your head, pull in the opposite direction, and we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we switch and count down 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now let's roll our head in a nice slow circle. The rest of our body is still, but our head is rolling slowly all the way around. Nice and slow. You don't want to go fast because that can make you dizzy. And we'll switch and go in the opposite direction. Now let's roll our shoulders in big circles up and around, up and around, up and around. Then we'll go in the opposite direction, going back and around. Pull your shoulders back and around. And one more time, we'll pull our shoulders back and around. All right, now give yourself a big hug, and we're going to twist back and forth. When you twist, your legs and your feet stay planted, and you're twisting at your hips and your waist. So give yourself that big hug, and go back and forth. Just like that. All right, now we're going to exercise our shoulders by having our arms go in circles. So I'm going to do 10 circles going forward like this, and then 10 circles going backwards. So forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then backwards, and I'll count backwards. See if you can count backwards with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Alright, we'll do one more arm stretch. You stick out one arm straight ahead of you, cross your body, and then you get your other hand and pull your elbow in towards your face. So watch that again. I stick one hand up, cross my body, get my other hand, grab my arm at the elbow and pull it in. And we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we'll switch to the other arm. So bring your other arm up, cross your body, grab at your elbow, and pull it in. And we'll count backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. All right, let's stretch our legs. So we spread our legs apart. We're going to bend this knee here. Keep this leg straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then we'll switch to the other leg. So now we're bending this leg. This leg stays straight, and our feet are flat on the floor. Counting back down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. All right. Here's a new stretch. I'm going to turn to my side so you can see a little better. I'm going to lift up one leg and pull that leg up towards my chest and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then switch and do the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. And we're going to do one more thing before we take our breaths. We're going to do a modified jumping jack. So watch me and follow me. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, and let's put our hands on our stomachs. Take a big breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. When you breathe through your nose, try to fill up your belly with air. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. One more time, nice and slowly, in through your nose and out through your mouth. All right, now we're all nice and warmed up and ready to learn.
All right, today we're going to draw a fish together, just like this one. So go ahead and grab your paper and your pencil. To get started, we're going to draw what's called an arc, or a curved line, kind of like you might see in a rainbow. One for the top and one for the bottom. Next, we're going to draw the tail. We're going to use a triangle shape to make the tail. So remember, triangles have 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to draw a couple lines inside of the tail fin. Now we're going to draw the fins on the side of the fish, also using a triangle shape. And one for the bottom. Now we're going to give our fish some eyes. So to make the eyes, we're going to draw a circle. And then inside of that circle, we're going to make a little dot. And we want a happy fish, so we're going to give him a smile. Next, we know that fish have scales. So we're going to do these curved lines to give our fish scales. Curve, 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 curve. One more. Curve, 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 curve. And now we have our fish. Let's write the word fish using lowercase letters. F, I, S, H. That spells fish. Now let's write the word fish again using uppercase letters. F, I, S, H. That spells fish. Good job.
All right, Seattle Pacific University, our song this week is called Opposites. The word opposite means completely different. So the opposite of fast would be slow. The opposite of up would be down. So this song is going to tell us to do one thing, and then it's going to say do the opposite. So I'm going to listen, and you're going to listen and do what the song says to do. And when it says to do the opposite thing, I'll say what the opposite thing is, and we'll do it together as well. So let's begin.
you reach high, so high, do the opposite.
The opposite of high is low.
Can you look up, then do the opposite.
The opposite of up is down.
Can you sit down, do the opposite.
The opposite of that is standing up.
Make yourself short, then do the opposite.
The opposite of short is tall.
Everyone walk slowly. Can you do
The opposite of slow is fast.
Clap your hands loudly, so loudly. Do the opposite.
The opposite of loud is
You
soft.
bend forward, then do the opposite.
The opposite of forward is backwards.
Move your feet fast, so fast. Do the opposite.
The opposite of fast is
Put
slow.
your hand up, then do the opposite.
The opposite of up is down.
Everyone walk slowly. Can you do the
The opposite of
opposite?
slow is fast.
Move your feet apart. Do the opposite.
The opposite of apart, together.
Open your mouth, then do the opposite.
Closed.
Clap your hands slowly, so slowly. Do the opposite.
The opposite of slow, fast.
Can you bend backward, then do the opposite.
The opposite of backwards is bending
Do
forward.
the opposite.
So that is our song, Opposites. And remember, opposite is completely different. So the opposite of up is down. The opposite of fast is slow. So we did the song Opposites today, and we'll do the song Opposites all week.